Hi guys, welcome back to another vid. Before I start, thanks for 25 subs, that is half of 50 subs. Today I will show you how to use robot voice on phone/tablet. The only things you need is a app called Narrator's Voice. Remember, if you are using this, the editing of vids will be long. Let's begin. Now we are on the app. Pick one if you want. This is Pink Sheep Robot Voice he/she uses.
Like and subscribe. Can we hit 30 subs?
Let's pick more languages. I will put this for now. That is how to do a robot voice on phone/tablet. I will now show you how to put it on a video. Go on to any editor. Click My Music. Find the robot voice by tapping it. If it is the right one, enjoy. Bye.